Yo. Yo, what are we doing today, dude?
We're installing my WINJET headlights.
We skipped the whole process. Already installed.
Ooh.
Damn. Oh, there you go. It's focused. You got these. You got the new headlights because you're too lazy to detail these, right?
No, because these are better.
Like, why clean them when you could just buy new ones?
Exactly. Especially when you're made of money like me.
So for this bottom bracket, it goes all the way to the top, and there's gonna be 3 bolts you need to get. One of them is a push pin. One more goes right here, one right there, and then the push pin goes in the middle.
That's for the headlight.
Easy, pretty simple. Wait, what do you mean?
Oh, you're talking about the headlight installation?
I'm talking about for the bracket.
Now the bracket is this one.
Oh wait, where's the other piece?
The one down here, and the side.
I'm just talking about these 3, the things. Oh yeah, the headlight, I guess, yeah. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and test the headlights, see if they're working before I put on the front bumper. It's not working. What? Why'd you turn on your car, bro? Hey, don't mess with it when the car's on. It'll short. So we're having a problem with this strip right here. It's not turning on. Only the low beam, high beam's working. So we're gonna put in the other headlight on the other side. And if this works, then we're gonna have a problem on that side. But I feel like it's not gonna work on this side either. Yo, we got the headlights to work. But it looks kind of blue on here. Alright, turn off your car. So we get here. Alright, so this bar right here wasn't working, and I guess for WINJETs, this dumbass.
Just for any headlight, the daytime running light, you have to have the e-brake off.
Really? I don't think my car's like that.
Yeah, I noticed it because when you put your e-brake down, your daytime running light come on, but when you put it up, it's off.
Oh, okay, so yeah.
That saves us from the scare.
We thought this shit was broken, but yeah, just take off your e-brake.
It was just me doing that.
Well, I didn't know that either, so. Alright, we're gonna get the other one installed, bolt everything down, put the front bumper back on, and then we'll show you the end result. Damn, dude. Hey, show them the difference again. That looks so much better. I fucking love it. That's it. The black just makes it look so nice, dude.
I think the gloss plug bezel, the new fog light, the white turn signal.
That was a really easy install, to be honest. That was very easy.
Took kind of a while.
Yeah, it took a while, but not a big deal. Night.
Yeah, night like this.
Yeah.
But if I get it always on, then the lights on too.
Yeah, you should do that. You should definitely do that. But that's kind of scary. The wiring.
Hold on.
They look good too, like off. Ooh, look at this.
Those Tom's tail lights.
So when did you install these? You got them the same time, huh?
No, I got these first. I think I installed them like 2 days ago. Or 3.
These grew on me. I didn't like these before. But they look good.
We're just gonna replace these plastic ones with these gloss black. We did it on his car already. It's kind of hard to see because it's all black.
Hold it up real quick so we can get a before and an after. Like just the bumper. Hold up the bumper.
Hold up the bumper though. You can zoom into the bumper.
Like hold up a bit. Alright, that's before. And we saw the
You can't even tell the difference on the camera, but these are gloss. These are, I don't even know what that is. It's like plastic. Matte. So this is just a clip-on. You just pop it off. It's kind of hard, but John will show you just like that.
At all, bro.
I feel like I don't like the way cars are designed like this. Like,
Plastic.
oh, it's just bending. All these push pins, all these clip-ins, brackets. Like, why can't everything just be like bolts and screws? Yes, it's easier on the other one. Huge difference. Dude, those are clean, dude.
Yeah, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Like, kind
No,
of
it's
popped out like
straight.
that.
It's straight. It's
Yeah.
good. That makes like one of the biggest differences, just because going from that orange to clear. Like, your car is like matching now, besides the bulbs.
Like the Tom and then the white. Ooh.
Alright guys, final walk around. Car's done. So you got that done, and then all of these. Right there, there. These are supposed to be white, but got the wrong bulbs. But soon to be white.
Headlights will be white too.
So yeah, that's it for this video.
You're gonna get the daytime running light mod while it, so that this shit's always on.
Yo, I think I have a mod for the this. It's always on. You should somehow do that. Mine's always on. I don't know why. All right, bro.
Later, buddy.
See you.